welcome back to my channel, Keeping My Life in Order. Today's video, you guys, we're doing another spring cleaning video, and in this video I'm gonna be using the Febreeze air scent. And what I like to do is just take a small amount, spray it on a towel, and we're gonna actually wipe down the trim of our doors, you guys. Yes, we are wiping down the trim of our doors. You know, this is the areas where it collects dust as well. To be honest, I like to do this at least every 3 weeks, you guys, just to keep up on the maintenance and keep the dust down. And I promise you guys, doing this, it actually makes your house smell so refreshing. I don't know what it is, every time I wipe down the trim bases of my doors, my house just smells really, really good. Alright, you guys, now I'm going to go ahead and vacuum the lower level of my home and vacuum the steps as well. But I am using the Glade product, and in this scent it is Lavender and Peach Blossom. I really like this scent, and you guys, if you use Glade Carpet Fresh, please let me know what is your favorite scent. Alright guys, I finished wiping down the handrail. Now it's time to vacuum the steps at the lower level of my home. And I'm being honest with you guys, when I first moved to my house, I'm like, how in the heck am I gonna vacuum these steps? You see what kind of vacuum I had. So you know what I said to myself? I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go to Walmart and I'm gonna make me a less than $20 purchase. And I went ahead and purchased me a Black & Decker Dustbuster. Yes ma'am, I use this to vacuum myself, and it works really, really well. And if you guys are interested in something like that, you can definitely find this product at Walmart. Alright you guys, I'm going to tell you something. It is just something about my entryway of my home. You guys, I love for the entryway to smell fresh, to look clean, and I don't know, it's probably one of my favorite areas of my home. You guys, let me know, is there anyone else out there like that? I mean, I just love for my entryway to smell fresh and to look clean. Okay guys, I walked straight into my master bedroom and went inside to wipe the trim of those doors, and when I walked out of the door, I forgot to wipe the outside trim, so I'm sorry about that, you guys. Alright you guys, the front entryway is now complete. Now it's time to go into the living room, and I'm simply going to vacuum up under the sofa pillows. And this is where I find paradise. You find crumbs, you find dimes, you find pennies. I even find a remote, pins. Everything is up under my pillows and my sofa. I don't understand. I just don't get it. I really don't get it. But anyway, let's go ahead and finish cleaning up, you guys. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.